Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to fix your braces pain. So before we get into today's video, like this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and go follow my Instagram. Let's get into today's video. Tip number 1 is to take painkillers like Advil or ibuprofen before your appointment. This is good if you're getting spacers, your braces on for the first time, or getting a tighten, whatever you need. This tip is for you because it will stop the pain before it starts. And believe me, you don't want the pain to start. So as long as you can keep it away, the better. Tip number 2 is for the first 2 or 3 days after you get anything done with braces, tightening, spacers, anything like that, stay away from hard foods. Smoothies are going to be your best friend during this time. Some of the foods you can eat will be on the screen right here. They're braces friendly and will guarantee no broken brackets. Tip number 3 is to use wax. Wax can be your best friend if your braces or brackets are irritating your gums or the inside of your lips. I personally have an ulcer right now, and wax has made it so much better. I would demonstrate how to use wax on this side of the screen. First thing you want to do, dry off the tooth and bracket with a Q-tip, rag, anything you have that can dry off. And then 2 is you're going to roll the wax around in a little ball for a little bit between your fingers, and then you're going to stick it on your bracket and press for about 10 to 15 seconds. And there you go. If you want to buy some wax, make sure to go check out the link in my description. For a lot of wax for a little price, go buy it on Amazon and it'll guarantee you no braces pain. Tip number 4 is for ulcers specifically, swish warm salt water around in your mouth and your ulcers will be gone within the next 3 days. I bet you they will. Make sure that you use that tip because that tip is probably one of the best ones I've given you so far. Tip number 5, the best tip all you guys have been waiting for, is to eat and drink cold things. The reason you want to drink cold things and eat cold things is because your braces are made out of special material that when it's cold, you can bend it however you want, but when it's in the heat of your mouth, it straightens out, and that's what causes your teeth to be sore. So, swishing around some ice water in your mouth for about 10 to 15 seconds will guarantee you instant relief, and eating ice cream will also guarantee you a long time relief. That's all for today's video. Please like this video, subscribe. Make sure to go check that link down in my description. Go follow my Instagram at BellaGrace7609. Make sure to hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.